In case you guys think this is clickbait, it's not. What are we doing? What are we doing?
I don't know.
We're putting the wheels on.
I got bit by a mosquito.
Jenna got attacked. Alright, I'm gonna close it so no more getting. Right now, we are filling up. It's time to put the wheels on. I'm a little scared. Alright, I'm gonna be honest. I'm a little scared because one is really SUDANI. You guys will see that when I get to Kells. And Jenna has to be home at by 9:15. And I don't want to debead on the way home. I'm not going to. And that's about it. It's like 7:30. We'll get there at like 7:45-ish. And toss the wheels on. We gotta air them down, toss them on, and then we'll be good to go. All right, so we made it to Kells here. This wheel is on. I left them all at 100 PSI overnight to just make sure they stretch out. And we got baby SUDANI on these back two. That one's fine, and then this one just didn't cooperate. I don't know why. Oh.
Hopefully it doesn't cooperate on the road.
No, hopefully it does cooperate on the road. Don't say this. Camber gang. No, just kidding. That one's not all the way on yet.
I'm still praying I don't debead on the way home. I don't think I will. I'm gonna drive on them at like 70. So that way the beads are pushed out really far. Yeah, not 70 miles an hour. I'll show you guys when we lower it down and have all the wheels on it. Sweaty out here.
All right, so yeah, go ahead. This video is gonna be titled BMW E90 gets SUDANI stretch. So, oh, it's not all the way down. I was like, ooh. All of them are on. So I'm gonna pull it out right now and you guys can see it. You ready? What do you think? Just as long as we don't debead, we're good?
I don't want to debead.
I don't want to either.
Because like the first time you had the one three-piece wheel, you literally debeaded like 2 days later.
I think that one just didn't have enough air in it.
Do you even know how much air that had in it now?
Not much. Not much.
Not much. You'll never know.
Oh yeah, we have 70 in these bad boys. So, except this one. This one probably has like 90 still.
No, I love it.
All right,
Here it is.
I don't know. Keep going. What, making noise?
Yo, what does that sound like?
What do you mean?
What does that noise sound like?
I didn't hear it. She heard it. She said it sounded like the brakes again. Oh, it's great. Oh, I'm excited. Well, I finished. Just kidding. Just kidding. You're never done with cars. But, gang.
All right, so I don't know if you guys saw the problems that I had.
What do you have? What do you have? Leave it alone, all right? Leave the moth alone.
So I don't know if you guys saw the part where I was having problems with the e-brake. Kyle, if you're watching this, you broke it. I went around a turn, he's like,
Dude, I'm gonna rip the e-brake.
rips the e-brake. I was like, no, dude, just don't. He goes. So I had to adjust it. That was a while ago. I'm pretty sure that broke some of the hardware in the drum brake, but
We got the wheels on, as you guys can kind of see here and here. And
I had all my spares loaded in, the car was low and the fitment was good. I started driving and it was just riding on the lips. All right, so static life, yes, but destroying $1,900 worth of wheels, no, that's gonna be a no for me.
so I raise it up for right now, which still isn't even that high. But I am in love with these wheels on this car.
Riding home was probably the most terrifying thing.
That I've done solely because of this SUDANI, and I'm terrified of this. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it kind of fixed itself under pressure. That's awesome. Let me make sure it didn't slide from the other side.
What do you guys see? I can't see it. Look good? Look pretty good? Yeah? All right.
Well, that's lit. That fixed itself. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Tomorrow I'm going out to get pictures. You guys will see that. This is gonna have to be a 2-part video. Unfortunately, I don't like watching those. I don't think you guys do either, but I do have to document this one at a time. So I'll get up, wash the car tomorrow, take pictures. We'll see you guys tomorrow. And we're back. All right, it's the next day. I ended up just knocking out my oil change last night, so I don't have to worry about that this morning. It's like 11 o'clock, 11:30. No, 11, it's probably 11 o'clock right now. We're gonna go ahead and give this guy a wash because he needs it. He needs it pretty bad. I haven't washed it probably a couple weeks, 2 weeks. That's really bad for me, so let's go ahead and do it.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
All right, Cinnamon is now extremely clean, at least on the outside. Look at this. Look at that reflection and those wheels. Oh my God, I love them. I love them so much. But seriously though, look at this. It's like glass. Oh, what? You're looking at my house? No, that's my hood, psych. In case you guys are wondering what I use to wash my car, this time I just use a little wash and wax, average wash and wax. And then on top of that, I use the Meguiar's ceramic wax, hybrid ceramic wax. Love that stuff. Absolutely favorite detailing stuff. Go ahead and toss some tire shine on the wheelie boys, and then we'll see where the day goes from there. I'm not sure what Kel's doing yet. We're gonna meet up with him, help him lower the Z. So yeah, it's gonna be a great day. Also, in case you guys think this is clickbait, it's not. Pray for me. I made it to Kel's safely. A little terrifying, but I made it. So stopped at Hardee's. What's up? What's up?
A little terrifying.
Dude, it is. I swear to God, it wanders. The car wanders on the road now, a little bit. The front.
That's tough.
The front.
That ain't good.
So.
Wait, the front?
I think it's just because of the
Why else would it wander?
tires. If they're not like all the way on the bottom beat, wouldn't that like, if it's like angled out or in, you know what I mean? Wouldn't that like,
My car doesn't wander.
I don't know. A little bit. It's like the front
How long
steering
has
is a
it been
little
since you
weird.
got the one?
A minute.
Here, let me turn off my copyrighted music.
A fat minute.
A fat minute. So I mean, would
Thin
you want to
minute.
try to? Well,
Dude, I don't think it's that bad. Like, I don't feel like it's the alignment.
alignment is the only thing that will cause wander.
Okay.
Does it vibrate at all?
No. Other than the, 70 PSI wheels, no.
Wow. I don't know.
It looks good. That's all I care about right now. So, Kel is more of like the safety guy here.
I mean, come on now.
Yeah.
I don't want you to crash.
No, I don't want to either. But, here she is. Here she is. Look at this beautiful car. Just kidding. Literally making my dreams right here with this car. It is awesome. I lowered the rear last night. The front settled perfectly. And then the rear is also extremely perfect. So, gonna wait for Andrew to get out of school, you little boy. And then wipe down the car and go take some pictures. Probably get some rollers of Kel and I's car and just have a great day. So see y'all in a little bit. So I'm out here in the woods. We got lost. Just kidding. We're taking photos right now of all the 3 babies.
Fitz wore shorts like an idiot.
No, dude, why is this an
That's
idiot
why
move?
you're an idiot move.
Aw, dude, I don't like rub it on my legs.
Well, I don't think anyone does.
True. Pants look better on me anyways, but what's up? She made it out. She brought the Miata out. My car's still doing good. Still haven't, anyways, we'll leave it at that. It's doing good. So,
Hasn't broke yet.
yeah. Peep the Instagram soon for these fire photos by St. Clair Pictures. Yeah, we're just out here shooting right now, and we'll see where to go from here. All right, so it is the end of the night. We had a fun day today. Lots of picture taking, lots of just hanging out with everybody.
Lots of driving.
In
I got-
traffic, and it was
I got
stressful.
cooked
Yeah.
because it's hot now, and
Topless life.
Yeah. I also have this topless.
Yeah,
It's not topless right now.
not right now, but it can be. So yeah, this is gonna be the wrap for this video. It's a pretty chill day with everybody. Yes, I have a SUDANI stretch, SUDANI stretch on my BMW. Haven't had any, issues, not even gonna talk about it. So if you guys have questions or comments, be sure to leave them down in the comments. Leave them down in the comments below, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Say bye.